China has been making waves with futuristic innovations, and this time, it's not just about gadgets or skyscrapers. Even the wheels department is seeing some groundbreaking changes. Its technology is advancing at such a rapid pace that it's giving the US a real challenge to keep up. These innovations are not just impressive, they're reshaping the future of transportation. Ridroid Kangaroo, the assistant robot you can ride. Engineers from the University of Tokyo and the Advanced Technology Center for Robotics have created the Ridroid Kangaroo, a robot that doubles as a personal assistant and a mode of transportation. It can follow its owner, carrying groceries or other items, and transform into a scooter when needed. In vehicle mode, the Kangaroo can reach speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour. It uses advanced mapping and positioning systems for autonomous navigation and has a manual mode for added control. This innovative robot is shaping up to be a futuristic solution for mobility and assistance. China's SkyTrain, a new way to travel. Next, let's talk about China's SkyTrain, the world's first unmanned aerial train. While it doesn't fly like an airplane, its design is incredibly futuristic. The SkyTrain runs on a monorail that stretches over 10.5 kilometers. It travels at 60 kilometers per hour and can carry up to 200 passengers at a time, making it as efficient as a regular train, but with a twist, it's elevated above the ground. What's even more impressive is that it took only 7 months to construct this monorail. That's about the same amount of time it takes to lay down regular train tracks. This design is not just a pretty face, it's functional too. It reduces accidents, increases capacity, and doesn't cost much more than traditional options. Lazarus LMV 496, the flying motorbike. Imagine a motorbike that can fly. That's exactly what the Lazarus LMV 496 offers. Designed by French engineer Ludovic Lazarus, this electric motorbike transforms into a flying machine. On the road, it operates as a standard electric motorcycle with a range of about 60 miles. But with the flip of a switch, 4 jet engines in its wheel hubs tilt downward, turning it into a flying vehicle. These jet turbines produce 1,300 horsepower, allowing the bike to achieve short flights lasting up to 10 minutes. This blend of motorcycle and jet technology is revolutionary, offering a unique way to travel. With a price tag of $500,000, the Lazarus LMV 496 is a limited edition marvel that redefines personal transportation. Neo ET9, a snow-shaking sedan. In the world of electric vehicles, the Neo ET9 sedan is turning heads with its innovative features. One of its most unique abilities is shaking snow off its roof, just like a dog shaking off water. This eliminates the need for a snow brush. During a demonstration, the ET9 showed off its hydraulic suspension by swaying side to side to clear the snow. The ET9 is also a luxury vehicle packed with advanced tech. It features a dual-motor drivetrain delivering 77 horsepower and a 120 kWh battery that offers a range of 255 kilometers. The battery can be charged in just 5 minutes, making it perfect for drivers who are always on the go. Priced at around $110,000, this sedan combines elegance, innovation, and performance. The Flyer, elevating urban travel. The Flyer is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for personal use. Imagine soaring above city traffic and heading straight to your destination. While regulations for personal eVTOLs are still being worked out, the Flyer gives us a sneak peek into the future of urban transport. Equipped with user-friendly controls and advanced safety features, it's accessible even for first-time pilots. This futuristic vehicle is set to transform daily commutes into exciting aerial journeys. EHang 216S, the drone taxi revolution. Now, let's take to the skies with the EHang 216S, a drone taxi designed for urban travel. Created by the Chinese company EHang, this unmanned aerial vehicle offers a new way to navigate crowded cities. It has 8 pairs of electric rotors and can carry 2 passengers. This eco-friendly taxi is not only quiet, but also fully autonomous. Its flight control system handles takeoff, navigation, and landing without any human input. The EHang 216S is built with safety in mind. Even if one rotor fails, it can still safely complete its journey or make an emergency landing. It can reach speeds of up to 130 kilometers per hour and fly as high as 3,000 meters. With a focus on short to medium distances, this drone taxi is perfect for urban commutes. Zoox Robotaxi, the future of ride-hailing. Amazon subsidiary Zoox has introduced an autonomous robotaxi that's set to change the game for ride-hailing services. This electric vehicle has has a symmetrical design, allowing it to move in either direction without turning around. It's perfect for navigating crowded city streets. Inside, the cabin is spacious, seating up to 4 passengers in a face-to-face arrangement. The vehicle is equipped with advanced sensors like LiDAR, cameras, and radar, ensuring 360-degree awareness and safety. With a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a 16-hour battery life, the Zoox Robotaxi is efficient and futuristic. Raptor by Robotics, a 3-wheeled marvel, Japanese company Robotics has unveiled the Raptor, a 3-wheeled mobility platform designed for urban commuting. This vehicle consists of 2 parts, an upper design unit and a lower base block, which can be easily detached or reattached. It runs on a 48-volt battery, reaching speeds of 30 kilometers per hour with a range of up to 40 kilometers. The Raptor is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about redefining urban mobility. It's eco-friendly, versatile, and designed to inspire new business opportunities and cultural shifts. BYD Yangwang U8, the world's first floating SUV. First up, we have the BYD Yangwang U8 from China, which is making headlines as the world's first floating SUV. Yes, you heard that right, this SUV can float on water. It comes with a hydraulic system that allows the vehicle to rise or lower by 150 millimeters, giving it an impressive presence on the road. And all this comes at a price of around $50,000, which is surprisingly reasonable for such groundbreaking features. One of its standout features is the ability to perform a tank turn. Imagine this, the car can spin 360 degrees while staying in the same spot. It's like a dance move for your car. But that's not all. The base model can float in water up to 1 meter deep, while the off-road version can handle depths of up to 1.5 meters. If you ever find yourself stuck on a flooded street, the U8's emergency floating mode activates automatically. It shuts off the engine, seals the windows, turns on the air conditioning, and opens the sunroof for ventilation. GAC Gov, the flying car. At a recent Tech Day event, Chinese company GAC introduced the Gove, a flying car that combines driving and flying. This innovative vehicle features a single passenger capsule mounted on a 4-wheeled chassis. The lower section serves as a wheeled platform, while the upper section is a detachable drone with 6 folding blades. The Gove can seamlessly switch between driving and flying modes. It's fully autonomous, so you don't need to worry about manual controls. You can input your destination on a tablet, and the vehicle takes care of the rest. It can even navigate to a charging station mid-flight. These futuristic vehicles and innovations show just how creative and determined we are to make life easier, safer, and more exciting. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of transportation, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let us know in the comments which of these amazing vehicles you'd love to try out. Until next time, stay curious.